What's going on, guys? Welcome to my moped garage. On this video, I'm trying to wire up this Sachs eagle1 that I got. It's got a 70cc athena kit on it. It's got a 18mm Makuni carburetor. Got them snowflake wheels. I put some fresh meat on it, so she's ready to go for the new season. Right now, wiring. So I'm putting a converter in. Just put up some grounds. Got a wire. Next step, I'm trying to wire in this light I got. It's actually pretty big. I wasn't aware of that, but it's alright. I'm going to put some switches in and stuff. Not sure if you guys want to see that, but here we are. 2 switches up here. Just temporary. Just for now. Going into the low beam and high beam. And those are going to the switch. Switch wires run all the way to the back where I'm going to connect them. But for now, I'm going to keep plugging away at it. Alright guys, I'm putting this switch on here. I got to wire that up. Got the switches wired up. Go back. Now I'm gonna make some ends to go to actually make the ends go to here and to power. God, I hate wiring. Alright, so for right now, I am done wiring the front switches for high and low beam, and done with the brake switches over here. And I hooked up a brake cable. It's not the best, but at least it's better than before, because before I didn't even have brakes. So I am ready to put some sleeving on some of this wiring right here. Also, on top of the wiring, I got this GPS speedometer that I'm going to have to wire in. Comes with this GPS thing. I read the instructions. I got to mount this somewhere. So it's another thing I got to wire in and mount. So I'm not done with wiring. So, but it is pretty nice, you know. So I wired in the speedometer. Red wire. I already put it into the loom that I have going on right there. I already ran it. I made it a gray wire, a brown wire, so I won't know what it is when I'm trying to fucking figure shit out. It was up in here, didn't have enough. I had to make more. Now it's up into the power block or distribution block, whatever. So far, that's what I got. So I'm gonna call it a day, or call it a night, And I'll pick back up tomorrow. So, I'm not sure where I left off yesterday, but so far I have mounted the speedometer, the high and low beam switches, wired in the brakes, put a new brake cable on, got a new headlight in, and I don't need these wires right here. I don't need those. Started putting some covering on the wiring. All the wiring runs under the tank, under here, and here, and then comes out over here. So far, take the seat off. I mounted the GPS, which goes with the speedometer, and I did mount a light to it as well. That's in another video. I have to wire this in to the brakes. So I'm going to run this blue wire for my running lights, for my tail light. That's going to run all the way up to, I think I'm going to tie it into my low beam switch, which is right here. I think that's low beam. Yeah. I'm tied into my low beam switch. And yeah, and then I should be wrapping up all this wiring. Alright, so I pretty much wrapped up all the wiring. I pretty much wrapped all the wiring in some loom. That runs all the way down here, down the tank, behind here, comes out the other side, and up into there, into the power distribution block, and that is the 6 volt into 12 volt regulator, converter, whatever you want. Grounds are right over here. Grounds are right there. The light all in. GPS thing's all set. She's ready to go. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.